Hello and welcome. I will be answering WAEC 2020 Economics Objective Past Question 3. Land as a factor of production is made useful through the A. Application of human effort, B. Acts of nature, C. Application of fertilizer, D. Use of machines. Now, land as a factor of production, as it relates to economics, is defined as a free gift of nature. Okay, this means that land is not manufactured, but rather it is a free gift of nature. Now, what does it mean for land to be useful or land to be made useful? When land is made useful, it means it is efficiently utilized for the purpose of production. So that is when land can be said to be useful. Now, in order for land to be efficiently utilized for the purpose of production, human effort or human activities, so I would say human activities or effort, needs to be present. So humans must carry out activities on the land or must put effort into utilizing the land for the purpose of production in order for land to be made useful. So human activities or effort needs to be involved. So for that, you can say human activity needs to be applied. So application of human effort activity needs to be applied to land for it to be made useful. So option A says application of human effort. So as we have established, this is the correct answer to this question. Thank you, and please subscribe to this channel for more videos and for more past questions and answers.